Hey everybody. All right, so here's my boat, and it doesn't look like it has much in it at all at the moment. Shop looks like it's completely trash, but anyways, been thinking about past few times I've been fishing, the issues I've ran into, the tournaments that are coming up here soon, and I need to go through my boat. So here in a minute, I'll pull everything out of my boat, the compartments, everything, kind of go through it and show you what I believe is some of the most important things to have in your boat, especially if you're gonna have other people fish your boat, but especially, I mean, just fishing in general. Now I'm talking about baits, but everything else. So hang in there with me and I'll kind of go through it. Thanks. All right, everybody. So I've completely cleared my boat out. Every locker, every crevice, everything I can think of. I've opened it up. I'm about to vacuum it out, and basically, and I'm also in this episode, I'm gonna talk about cleaning your boat and the stuff that I use to clean it, and I think I got time today to clean it. So, but if you look right here, you got these mud lines. Man, the Tennessee River can be nasty at times. I mean, any river can. And you can see places right there on my carpet and stuff. I've got a solution I use that I think works great, and it's not gonna hurt anything that I have, and it's worked great. So moving on. Over here is what was in my boat. Is that not insane? Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're going to go through this stuff, figure out what's absolutely necessary, what's not, put it in the correct place in an easy to access area, because the worst thing you need to do is have everything scattered, have everything everywhere, need something, especially in an emergency, and not know exactly where it's at. So we're gonna consolidate, we're gonna condense, and we're gonna organize, get the boat ready for this fishing season, and we'll talk about that, and I'll let you know my ideas on how I set my boat up and what I put in there. And anyways, let's just keep going. All right, guys, everybody. All right, everybody. So I'm here at our local car wash. I didn't really have time to break out my pressure washer at the house. It's warmed up to about 60 degrees today, so it's a perfect opportunity to clean the boat. So I've got my solution. And I'm gonna wet the boat all over with rinse. Just let it sit. And while I'm rinsing off the whole thing, hopefully it'll sit long enough, and then we're going to spray it with the pressure washer. And once we spray it with the pressure washer, it should come clean. If there's any hard spots, that right there is what the Clorox is for. Now I've got the Clorox. I've cleaned out an Armor All bottle, but Clorox is only for the exterior of the boat, not for the interior of the boat. So anyways, you see what we're using, see how it works. Hope it works for you. Thanks. So we're just going to spray this solution all over the boat, just like so. We're going to make sure we get those dirty spots really good. All of it. We can even do it on the carpet. See a bad place in the carpet, like right there? It's not going to hurt anything. It even smells good. Alright guys, 99% of everything came off. So there is still a little line in a couple of places. Like I said, one of the last places I fished was a big industrial park. So we're gonna hit this right here with the solution. We're gonna let it sit for a second, and we're gonna throw just a little bit of Clorox just on the exterior of the boat. We're gonna see what happens. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's gone. The line, good and clean. Didn't use anything harmful on the inside of the boat. Used just a little bit of Clorox on the hard spots. Worked awesome. All right, so some of y'all know my camera has been messing up so bad. I don't know if it's the camera or the batteries. Anyways, I've had a ton of issues here lately. I've been working on trying to make a video about cleaning your boat, make sure you have everything you need in your boat. And basically went through this whole spiel, had it all laid out, went through it, camera messed up, and I'd already put it back in the boat before I realized. So hopefully it'll work this time. And I'll just give you a little tour of how I set up my boat. It's not, you know, perfect. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but at the same time, I feel like this is stuff that, you know, for sure, things that you need to have in your boat. So we got this compartment right here. We got all of our registration stuff, safety kits, flashlight, towels, tow rope, battery, starter, like a jump kit or a jump starter, which I just got, sunscreen, bug spray, coil kit, oil. You gotta make sure that you have a fire extinguisher and ethanol treatment. So I mean, those things. I got some extra line in case one of our reels messes up and we got to replace the line. And this compartment right here, I've got our rain suits, life jackets, throw cushion. You got to have throw cushion, net, save faces, and golden rules. So we should be able to go out, fish efficiently, be safe, and hopefully do well in this tournament. I've added a couple things on my boat. I actually went and bought the leash at leash.net. I think I ended up getting it from Midway. That there's just another safety precaution that I thought was necessary for us fishing, and makes me feel better about it. I made sure the boat is charged up, plugs in, and we got plenty of oil in the boat, tackle's ready, rod and reels are ready for the place that we're going to fish, what we're going to be fished with, so that we don't have to, hopefully don't have to constantly retie. They can just swap out rods, if, you know, instead of having to spend all that time retying lures. Outside of that, just make sure the boat was clean, ready to go. Hope y'all enjoy this one. It's kind of messed up because, like I said, I had some camera issues, but at the same time, this is how we do it. So just be prepared out there in the water. Make sure your kids are safe, make sure you're safe, and also, you know, have what you need in the boat to, you know, get the job done, get it done right, and have a good time on the water. You have a good one.